In these sections, we are going to learn the building blocks for training model in Caffe2. In order to make this clear, so we first introduce the housing price prediction problem. This is a typical regression problem. In the second video, we are going to represent a linear regression model in computational graph so that you can implement this in Caffe2. In the third video, we are going to introduce the training procedure. With such, you can start to use Caffe2 to learn the regression models. In the fourth video, we are going to demonstrate how to train the linear regression model to predict the housing price. First video, we are going to introduce the housing price prediction problem. Housing price prediction problem. Given a graph where you have area in square feet plotted as an x-axis and price in US dollar, $1,000 plotted as y-axis. The problem is, what would be the price given a house size, for example, 750 square feet? What would be the price? One way to solve this is to plot a straight line across some dots, and we assume the relationships between the price and the size of the house is linear. You may say the price of the house should be 150K based on these linear relationships. Another way of looking at this is you plot a curve. So hopefully you will cross more dots, and we assume the relationships between the price and the size of the house is nonlinear. In this case, you may say, well, the price of the house should be 200K US dollar. Okay, so these are the toy examples. In the reality, housing price may not only depend only on the size in the square feet. According to the California housing dataset, which is based on the 1990s California census data, median housing value depends on multiple factors, including the locations like longitude, latitude, ocean proximity, and also the total rooms and also total bedrooms, and also it's related to the populations in those areas, and also the household and median incomes, as well as the housing median age. So all these facts will make a difference in the housing price, especially in the median housing price value. And you can refer to these papers about this dataset. The question now is how to use the Caffe2 to solve the problems. In this video, we introduce the problem of housing price prediction. Housing price prediction problem can be solved by linear regression or nonlinear regression. In the realities, housing price would depend on multiple factors.